In this video, I will touch on shopping in Costa Rica, especially for those thinking about moving to Costa Rica, or for those who already moved to Costa Rica, and of course for everyone who's interested in life in Costa Rica. I was shopping the other day and I realized, wow, where I'm shopping for furniture and some stuff for in and around the house has really been a challenge to find the right place. So now that I found it, I of course want to share it with you. Now, who am I? If you don't know me, welcome to my channel. My name is Muriel and I created this channel thanks to the many questions I received after I moved to Costa Rica from the Netherlands with my husband and two growing up kids. And that was already back in 2018. So this channel is not about how I am the expert. It is everything I have learned myself. Sometimes the smallest things in Costa Rica can be a hurdle if you don't know where to find solutions for it. And I was very grateful for others to share some tips with me. So I want to pay everything forward here on my channel so everyone can benefit from everything I have learned and I put on my channel. We're typing in search questions on YouTube. So yeah, if you watch my video to the end, you will see me doing a little round tour in one of my most favorite shops for furniture and small and bigger stuff for in and around the house. There are many stores of this shop over whole Costa Rica. And yeah, here's an impression. So I hope that you enjoy it. Before I'm gonna continue showing that, this is an open invite. Consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive a notification every time I upload new value here on the channel. It's always Costa Rica related. And of course, if you're curious how I am able to live here and run my own online business, being job free, work just 3 hours per day, more or less, then just go ahead and go to the description below my video. There's a world of information about my coaching, my teachings, my programs, my book, and more. So, you ready to go shopping with me? Here we go. So yep, this is it. This is where I'm shopping since we don't have IKEA in Costa Rica. Yeah, I think that you can really compare it with IKEA. They have everything. And yeah, it's great to buy stuff to put in the house. When you just move to Costa Rica, for example, I would definitely go here. The benefit of here compared to the small town shops is that it's more on a budget and they have more choice. That's the thing. So behind me you see my kiddos go. We just did some shopping. We bought some stuffies for in and around the house, some little tables, and like a real Pequedo Mundo shopping day. And I hope that you could benefit from all that I'm showing you. It's not that much, but you know, when I just moved to Costa Rica, I was clueless about this stuff. And as you might know, I'm sharing everything I've learned myself. So I hope that you can benefit from my video. My son wants to be on the video too. No, I'm joking. Hey, thanks for watching my video and see you on my next one.